Hey YouTube, BlizzardPeak here. Oh, sorry about the sun. It's right behind me and making an awkward angle, yeah. Anyways, yeah, I've had this channel almost 3 years now. It's almost August. Another few weeks and it'll be the 3-year anniversary, but after 3 years' time, I've decided it's finally time. Well, almost 3 years. This intro is going badly. Anyways, I finally decided it's time for BlizzardPeak to do a different review. Gonna be going to this place right here, and yeah, well, let's grab the wallet. There we go, got my keys. No, we are not going to McDonald's. We are not going to Cahoot's pet store either. We're going to a little building right next to it. That's right, BlizzardPeak is getting a blizzard. Okay, it's a lot of different versions. That's right, guys. BlizzardPeak got an Oreo Blizzard. This is gonna be a taste test. Oh man, there's like nowhere to set the camera up. And it's precarious where it is because I don't have a stand or anything. But yeah, Oreo Blizzard from Dairy Queen. I'm BlizzardPeak. Hope you're enjoying my channel. Really do appreciate you all watching. I just got the Oreo one, classic. The original Blizzard, only at Dairy Queen. Just got the small, they had a mini. Guess I could have got that. I wasn't really paying attention. Let's try it out. Oh yeah. That's good. It's creamy, good vanilla ice cream. And it's got the crunch from the classic Oreo mix. I mean, how could you beat this? Waited too long to review this. Yes, so BlizzardPeak approves of the Blizzard. Very good, guys. Give it a solid 8 out of 10. I mean, it's great ice cream. Oreos are good. Ice cream's good. It's basically cookies and cream. You mash it together. Yeah, that's what you got. It's definitely BlizzardPeak approved. So let's get that with the seal of approval. Dang. Hashtag happy tastes good. Does taste pretty good. So if you have a Dairy Queen near you, I suggest you go out and try the Blizzard. Has nothing to do with me, but you know, my name's similar. BlizzardPeak recommends you go out and get a Blizzard. And they have a bunch of different flavors, as you saw earlier in the video. I can't talk, but I just went with one of the classics today. But like the video, let me know if I should try out one of the other flavors, and I'll come back and do that. One of those summertime flavors. Alright, thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Take care, and I'll see you all in the next one. You better try this because It is good.